Hello teacher, my name is Helen. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I've got long black hair and brown eyes. I'm wearing a white and purple t-shirt, black trousers, and white socks. My favorite animal is a cat. Cats are brown and white. They've got 4 long legs, 2 eyes, and a long tail. They can't climb a tree, but they can't cook. They eat fish and rice. Today I want to tell you about my family. We are Hoang family from Vietnam. They are mom, dad, brother, and I. We like watching TV, listening to music, and reading a comic. Our favorite day is Sunday. On Sunday morning, Dad sweeps the floor, my mom washes up, my brother and I make the bed. In the afternoon, my dad washes the car, my mom goes shopping, my brother and I play chess. In the evening, my mom and dad watch TV. My brother plays computer games and I do homework. Goodbye, teacher.